Hey everyone,
I'm back!
welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Jasmine, aka Jazz Dash, and you guys, I'm so happy to be back. I had to take a couple weeks off because I was going on vacation and I knew my budget was gonna get crazy and I wasn't gonna be able to show all that on camera. But we're here now and your girl did get paid. And today we should be stuffing $504 if I'm correct. So we're gonna count it. So 1, 2, 300, 50, 70, 90, 410, 430, 450, 60, 70, 85 or 70, 75, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 500, 501, 52, 503, and 504. So yes, we are stuffing 504. So I figured I might as well come back to do a cash stuffing. So we're gonna start in my purple binder. So gas, I won't be stuffing, but I am going to put $5 in here because I was told gas is going up to at least $3, and your girl's used to like $2 and something, so I don't really know how much gas is going to be for me to fill up. So now it has 30. Spending, only put this in here because as a precaution for when I came back if I bought anything, but I didn't. So this is going to go into my extra envelope. And spending, we'll be getting 50. So 20, 2 10s, a 5, and 5 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So we have 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Let me just change this around real quick. All right. So you guys, Atlanta was pretty uneventful for me. I actually mainly just stayed in an Airbnb, but that's what I normally do when I go out of town. I just stay inside and mind my business. And plus that traffic is not for me. So I was like, I could never move to Atlanta. So medical is getting $2. And I don't know if I informed you guys, but I am going to only be stuffing certain envelopes with a decent amount of money, and the rest of my envelopes
Really only going to get $2. Like, I want to stuff it more, but I have to start going back non-exempt or unexempt, or however they say for tax lingo, next month. So my checks are going to go back down to like 970-ish, somewhere around there. So I'm really going to have to try to figure out my budget for that. But medical
is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. And I am also getting a new car. So hopefully this will drop my payments back down to 300 or something. So I'll have more money to actually stuff. So we'll see what happens. Shoes is getting 20. So we have 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, and 72 in shoes. And I'm going to update all my tracker sheet at off camera. Gaming is getting $2. So we have 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, and 48 in gaming. And the sad part about Atlanta is that I wanted to go to the casino. Like, everybody be winning big money out of like their home state. And I was like, that's the one thing I want to do is go to a casino. And child did not go. Not at all. Subs is not getting stuff because I think it's fully funded, but we're going to make sure. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60s, 70, 71, 72, 73, and 74. Yep, so subs is fully funded, so I won't have to worry about this envelope anymore. Extra, we'll come back to that. And beauty, you see, is empty. I had to pay for my hair, and it wasn't cheap. So beauty is getting $2 if I'm not mistaken. So now it only has $2 in there. So let's move on to my blue, and I'm still looking. I've actually found some different binders that I want to get, but I'm like, I don't want to redo my envelopes. I really just want to redo the binder, and I can't really find just plain binders. I only find binders that comes with envelopes, so I might have to suck it up and switch out my envelopes as well, but I'm not sure. So Christmas is getting 25. So in Christmas we have 20, 40, 50, 20, 40, 50, wow. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82, 83. So we're at 183 in Christmas. Honestly, I don't think I'm gonna reach my goal of 500, but that's okay. Wow, my one is ripped. Hopefully they accept that. Car is only getting $2, which I should probably be stuffing this more than I am stuffing shoes, because I am trying to get, like I said, another car, but I don't know. So car has 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, and 37. So as you can see, I didn't have to use all my travel fund, which is amazing. So travel is only getting $2. So we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 25, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, and 44. So we are currently at 144 left in travel. Oh, before I continue, let me explain something to you guys. So this new car I'm trying to get, I have to put like a down payment down of like $1,500–$1,600. So I'm deciding on if I should just start my cash envelopes all the way over and just take all the money out of every single envelope and use that towards my car, because it's always easier to restuff the envelopes than it is to try to find $1,600, or use a credit card, which will put me more in debt. So I think I might just take all the money out of my envelopes, and I'm really thinking about it hard. So if I do and you guys see all my envelopes are empty, just know that was my decision. So home will be getting $2 as well. So now we are at 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94. Ooh, we're almost at 200 in our home envelope. And my friend just let me know that he's planning on moving to another apartment. I'm like, dude, you should have told me. I would have moved out with you. But I'm kind of bougie, so my taste is different from everybody else's taste. And I like what I like, and I don't settle for less, which you shouldn't. So school will be getting 40. So now we're at 20, 40, 60, 81, 10, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, and 34. So I think I just need $2 more in that for my swim lessons. And I just contacted them today, so I'm waiting to hear back from them. Emergency will be getting 50 because I'm still following the challenge. I am looking to do like the 100 envelope challenge, because I've been seeing it go around, like people are buying like the box from people off Etsy, but I'm trying to figure out how that would work for like my budget. Like, can I do like 2 envelopes every 2 weeks for like 26 weeks? Or I'm not sure how I would work that out, and I really want to do it, but it's just the math isn't adding up in my head for some reason, because I'm like, I could possibly do that instead of putting it in like a savings envelope, I could just do the 100 envelope challenge. So I'm not sure. So 50. So you have 50, 1, 50, 2, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 70. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 374. And emergency, which is amazing. I'm getting closer and closer to that 1K every paycheck. Savings is only getting $2. I've really been pushing this off to the side, honestly. I feel like I should just stop it, but I don't know. It's gonna come in handy one day. I'm gonna need it and I'm gonna be like, whoo, I'm so glad I didn't stop it. So we have 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, and 39 in savings. Now we're going to go back to my other envelope. Oh, and if you guys notice, yeah, my thumbnail is broke. I tell you, it was like I was doing so well. All my nails were intact. Nothing was broken. I was living my best life. And then at work on Thursday, picking up a box, it just popped off. And I was like, wow, this whole time it was there. And all of a sudden, before I'm going to do my video, it pops off. So extra is getting 300 from my check, and then the 20 from my spending envelope. So now it just has 100, 200, 300, and 320, which is a lot actually, because I end up doing like getting a balance transfer credit card. So already having 300, that's amazing. So I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I am so happy to be back. And you guys will see me in the next video with, should be a budget with me, but you never know. I might just stick with cash stuffings. I'm not too sure yet. I'm still trying to figure everything out. But yeah, so I hope to see you in the next video. Bye, you guys.